Hello everyone, today I will just show you the how to access history. So first of all, I'm in my Kali and let's go to Terminator and then let's type ls minus a. You can see all the files in my document in my file system are shown here, and from this just search for history. If you don't see the history file, then you can access it through another command like ls minus a dot star history, and it will show all the files named history. You can see zsh underscore history. So if we want to insert this file, then we can say nano and the history file name. Here we can see all the histories. We can delete from here if you want to delete the clear or apt get update. If you want to delete this, then just backspace, press backspace and delete this. And then if you want to exit, control X, exit. Save modified buffer, yes. File name to write, yeah. Hit enter. And yeah, you can see if we exit the terminator and if we again turn on the terminator and click history, we can see that there is we can see the command was deleted. And there is another method, like if we write ls minus lart, it will show all the files, and here is the zs history. If you want to exit it, vi zsh history. From this, if we want to delete, just double click D button and it will be deleted. Like if you ls alert, if you want to delete this, double click D and it will be deleted, man. So then if we want to exit from this, then we can colon and wq and hit enter. If we go to history again, yeah, that file is deleted, that command is deleted, bro. Thank you everyone.